See how yummy it looks. Oh, I can't wait to eat. Hi guys, how are you doing? My name is Lizzie. Welcome back to my channel. It's a lazy Saturday and it's freaking hot in here because it's noon and I'm preparing lunch. So can you imagine the heat? Yeah, so if you're new here, thank you for stopping by. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let me take you through what I'm preparing for lunch. Hope you enjoy watching this video and give it a thumbs up. Watch till the end. So guys, I'm making rice and vegetables. I decided to do purely vegetables because you know what, vegetables can taste nice and they're very healthy at the same time. So I'm gonna take you through how I prepare my rice and vegetables. Well, for the rice I just boil as usual with a little bit of salt and oil, and then for the vegetables, first I steam then fry them, and that's it. Just that with a drink, and that's it for lunch. Lunch doesn't really have to be a heavy meal. Yeah, so let's get to it. My rice is cooking over here really nicely. So guys, I have waru here. These are Irish potatoes. I want to fry them. Then I am gonna add this one large onion and this garlic to my vegetables as I fry them. These ones are already steamed. I just steamed the vegetables. They look so good already. So it comprises of it has cucumber, it has broccoli, carrots, and some pepper. This is red pepper. Yeah, then I'm just gonna I'll fry one large onion, add a bit of garlic, fry these ones, then combine just that, then I'll mix them with my rice. So for these potatoes, I'm just gonna boil them a little bit for like 2 minutes. Then I'll season them with a little bit of salt, and then I will shallow fry or pan fry. No, I'll shallow fry them. Yeah, so let's boil the potatoes. Our rice is already cooked, so this one is ready to eat. For some reason, I don't know, I just use salt. I measure salt with my mind. I don't know, I'm used to measuring salt with my mind, so for some reason I usually know exactly the amount of salt to use. I know this is not a credible way of seasoning food, but if it's my food, fine. If it's another person's food, I'll be very more careful. So now I want to fry these onions, the vegetables that we just steamed. just steamed these vegetables. I'm going to fry the onions, add just a little bit of garlic, season with salt and a bit of spices. Yeah, and that will be it. So let's fry the vegetables. So the pan has to be very dry before I add oil, definitely, because you cannot mix oil with water. Then I'll add my oil, a good amount of oil. Then give oil a little bit of time to cook. Does oil cook? Yeah, the oil has to cook. Then add your onions. Yeah, so give the onions time to cook until they start becoming golden brown. And then I'll add garlic. And so I'm gonna add garlic. After the onions are cooked, I'm gonna add garlic. Then I'm gonna add this pepper, more pepper. I love pepper or pepper. A little bit of garlic. Well, garlic is not a must, but if you like garlic because of its health benefits and the taste, because of the taste and the smell, at this point you can now add our vegetable. Our potatoes are boiled enough. So I'm just gonna cut the fire and fry them. Vegetables are not supposed to overcook, so that is enough for today. Enough cooking of the vegetables. So I'm going to drain these are my potatoes. They are boiled enough. I don't like them too much boiled because they'll break, so just gonna drain them like that. For the potatoes, just heat the pan a bit, then add oil, enough oil. Let the oil heat. Get your potatoes and add them one by one. If you add them at a go, you might be surprised. I know it's gonna make a lot of noise, but that's how it is. Yeah, so cook until they are crunchy enough, crunchy to your taste. You can season it the way you want, but I don't want it because I'm gonna eat it with the rice and vegetables, so I don't want too much seasoning. I just want it to be a very simple but tasty meal. Simple, healthy and tasty. They look tasty already and they are feeling crunchy already. You can hear that sound. They're already crunchy, so we're done. Time to remove them. I'm going to use this kitchen towel so that it absorbs the oil. I'm going to be draining them here. So guys, I'm using kitchen towel to just drain the oil. Once it's drained, I will remove the towel like that. There we have our potatoes. They look so good. They look so good. You can hear the feel. I don't know if that is correct grammar. Can you hear the feel? They are so crunchy and they look so tasty. The camera is not even doing justice to this. So guys, that is our potatoes, that is our vegetables, and that is our rice. Now we serve. Our food is ready and it looks so good. See how yummy it looks. Oh, I can't wait to eat. Vegetable, potatoes and rice. Yeah, so let me see what it tastes like. This is so good. The potatoes taste great. The vegetables taste great. The rice is really good. The combination is amazing. It's heavenly. Guys, try this recipe. It's really nice. I love it. It's really nice and healthy. It actually tastes like you have some meat in here, but there's no meat, only vegetables. Thank you guys for watching till this very end. Let me continue resting. Let me continue with the Saturday. The meal is amazing. I just wanna close out this video and rush into eating it. Yeah, it's really nice. I just wanna close out this video right here because I have to eat my food. It's calling me because it tastes really good. My taste buds are already excited. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Bye. See you in the next. Done. We are so done. That meal was nice.